Welcome. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Coach Abdirisak and welcome to Iqra. So today I'm talking about a specific topic. Maanta waxaan ka hadli doonaa topic gaar ah. So the thing is, a lot of my students ask me this. In badan ardayda kamid ah waxay weydiiyaan, if I watch movies, or maybe different movies, could it help me to speak English? Haddii aan daawado filmaan kala duwan, maybe like Hollywood movies, would they help me speak English? That's the big question. So actually, we know that. Miga caawinaysaa inaan ku hadlo Englishka. So here's the thing I want to tell you. I used to watch movies a lot when I was younger, when I was a bit younger. Starting, let's say, from when I was 12 up to when I was like 17 or 18. When I was young, when I had time, I used to watch a lot of movies. So here's the thing about it. If you watch movies, it can really help you with a lot of things. waxyaabaha ay kaa caawin karto waxaa ka mid ah, you can learn different food words used for food. You can learn words that they use for their culture. You can learn from movies the words or idioms oo mahmaha kala duwan ay isticmaalaan. You can learn from them like their poems, their poetry, their culture. waxyaabaha ay kaa caawinayso waxaa ka mid ah, it helps you to speak like a native or maybe modern English, to learn modern English. So waxay ka caawinaysaa in aad barato kelimadaha loo isticmaalo cuntada, kelimadaha loo isticmaalo dhaqankooda, kelimadaha loo isticmaalo poemska ama idiomska mahmaha iyagu ay isticmaalaan. It helps you with a lot of things. So the question is, can watching TV help you speak? As I believe, 100%. 100%. boqolkiiba kaa caawin kartaa. So the thing that you can watch is maybe National Geographic, baad daawan kartaa, maybe different programs, different TV shows. Maybe I'm watching your like you can watch it on your phone. Maybe you can just watch Netflix if you want. But the thing is, you should like be careful with it, because like it has a lot of things that is against our culture as an Islamic culture. But the thing is, if you want to learn English or speak English as a native, you can learn a lot of words, a lot of modern words from the movies. So yes, the answer is yes. Jawaabtu waa way kaa caawin karaysaa. This was Coach Abdirisak. Inshallah, I will see you again soon.